What's up? Welcome back to another devlog. We're breezing through the progress I made so far, so I can go back to developing. As a quality of life improvement, I've changed the explosion duration because some people kept running into it as they thought it had already ended, which obviously was not the case. Did you know you actually have a cap on how many upgrades you can collect? Of course not! Nobody ever told you! Well, you do, and now you can see it with our new window here that shows how many power-ups each player has collected. Wow! Consumer tested and approved. Once they reach the cap, the number turns green to signify you've maxed out. Next up, I've started preparing for having more versatility when spawning players and setting up the game in general. As of the last devlog, the two characters were simply thrown in the scene by hand. After making more prefabs and setting up some spawn locations, I can spawn as many players as I want, where I want, and each with a different appearance and its own UI. Now, you've probably come up to the conclusion that we're not using half of the map, so now we are. There's now up to 4 players on the map at once, each with their own individual controls. Since this is still local multiplayer, I had to be a bit creative and it got crowded. So right now, player 3 uses the numpad for controls. So that's keys 5, 1, 2 and 3 for movement, and 0 places the bomb, while player 4 uses... Hold up, I gotta check the keyboard for this one. Woo! I, J, K, and L. You visualize that? Yeah? Nice, nice, let's go. Yeah, those are the keys for the movement, and U is for the bomb placement. It's a bit painful, but isn't this the way of life? For the last part of the devlog, I created a new menu before you get into the game. Here, you can choose the number of players and change the map you're playing on. This basically just turns on a different obstacle tile map in the actual game scene. I mean, oh my god, the first content update, let's go! Well, that's all I've got for today. I'll update the itch page as well if you want to try out the new version. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Thanks! Subscribe or I'll kiss you.